Struggling to finance a major purchase or a personal project? You might have heard of Younited Credit, but what exactly is it and how does it work? Younited is a leading European provider of instant credit solutions. Think of them as a modern, digital alternative to traditional banks for personal loans and point-of-sale financing, which they call Younited Pay. The entire process is designed to be fast and 100% digital. Whether you're applying for a personal loan directly or using Younited Pay at a partner merchant's checkout, the core steps are similar. Step 1. The online application. You start with an online simulator to choose your loan amount and repayment period, which can range from a few months up to 84 months. You'll input your personal and financial information to get an initial offer. Step 2. Instant credit decision. This is where Younited's technology shines. They use a method called open banking which, with your consent, allows them to securely and instantly access your bank account statements. This provides their AI-based algorithms with an accurate and holistic view of your financial health, your income, spending habits, and existing debt. This process replaces the need for collecting and submitting piles of documents. Based on this data, you receive an immediate final credit decision. Step 3. Finalizing the loan. If your loan is accepted, you electronically sign the contract. The process from application to signature can often be completed in under 5 minutes. Step 4. Funding. Once the contract is signed and the final regulatory checks are complete, the funds are paid out, typically within 7 to 14 days for a personal loan. With Younited Pay at a merchant, your purchase is instantly confirmed. Younited's goal is to make credit more transparent, accessible, and faster, offering a competitive rate based on a real-time assessment of your financial profile. This focus on an advanced, data-driven system has made them a key player in the European instant credit market. If you're looking for quick and transparent financing for your next project, Younited offers a streamlined, paperless solution you can manage entirely on your smartphone. Just remember, a loan is a commitment, so be sure you can afford the repayments.